Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this. Okay, so this is it's quite simple brick screen. So actually we are going to model this as a curtain panel, so we can use it in a curtain wall, and then so we can adjust the gaps between these bricks, and also because curtain wall with this option, so automatically embed, so you can just create a curtain wall there, and it will automatically cut your the wall. Okay, so you can change the height, change the width. Okay, so it won't be perfect, but at least it's I think it's good for some early stage. Okay, so let's do it. First we need to model one brick. So we're going to model it as use this generic model template. So, and I'm not going to make it parametric, so I'll just do extrusion. Okay, so this is a standard size Australian brick, and it will be. I'll also add the mortar, so it will be 240 length, and the width will be 110. Okay, so because there's no mortar on each, so and then I'm going to move it to the center. Okay, so okay, and then finish this, and of course we need a thickness, so it will be 86, which includes the mortar 10 mil. So yeah, roughly this is the size. Okay, so and also you can here create a material for it, so we can control it in the project. Okay, so okay and okay, and then this is it. So now the next step is we need to create another generic model. Okay, so another one. So and then we're going to nest this brick into the new one. So I'll load this into here. So I'll just place it here for now. So now we need some reference plans. Okay, so 1, 2, and dimension di equal, and another dimension. So this will be the width. Okay, so the width. So I'll create a parameter. I'll just call it W and instance, and okay. So now I'm going to just move this. So align. Okay, so AL align and then lock onto these two reference plane. So this will be the first one. So the one brick on the very left, and then going to use array AR. So just click on here and roughly place it here. Oh hell. So you need to choose the last. So once you create this array, so you can still change it. Just select this group and select one of this group element, and then click on this array. So you can just change this by uncheck this one. So now if I change to 3, you will see it will, instead of go that, create another one there, it creates one in the middle. So now we can align AL, align the last, this one, to these two reference plane. Okay, so align and lock. So now we have this group, and then we just need to create a number parameter. So this, just select one of this brick, the group, and then click on this one. So this is array, and then go here, so we can add a parameter. So let's call it just call it a number. Okay, so instance, and okay. So we don't need to provide any formula here. We are going to control this number in the further family. So we're going to load this into a further family. So we don't need to have this formula here. So we have this number, we have this width, material. So because we need to link this the material parameter. So edit group, select this element, select this brick. So find this material, so it's a type, so into edit type. So go here, so just create a new material parameter and associate this parameter to it, and OK, and finish group. So now this is all done, and then we need another one. So the next one will be different. So next one will be a curtain panel. So curtain wall panel. Okay, open. So now go back to the second one. So let me just close the first one. We don't need that anymore. So the second one, which is the one with the group. Okay, so group and the array, so not group, array. And then place it roughly here. And now align. So this time, just align to the center. Okay, so center reference plane, and same this one. And okay, so now the next step is, so you see this one. So this is, don't worry about this. So don't drag this one. So it looks like that's you won't be able to do this this way. So we can just link this width to the width of this curtain panel. Okay, so but because this is a curtain panel family, you won't be able to find any width. So you will see if you change the views, floor plans, elevations, you can't find any width parameter. So if you go to family types, you won't be able to find any width parameter here. So what you need to do is you need to create a parameter. Okay, so create a dimension and then create a parameter. So let's just do a dimension this. Okay, so you know this is the width of a curtain wall panel. So now select this dimension, create a parameter. So this parameter will be a reporting parameter. I'll just call it RP, instance reporting. Okay, and because this width is not controlled by this family, it's controlled by the grids in a curtain wall. Okay, so now we just need to go to family types. Oh, sorry, not this one. Select. We need to select this family. Okay, so see this one, the width of this array. We just need to link this to this reporting parameter. Okay, so now if we change the width of this curtain panel, curtain wall panel, so this array of bricks will follow this. Now we need to decide the number of the bricks. Okay, because currently it's fixed 3. So let's find here. So the number is 3. So of course you can make it a parameter or link it or create a parameter. You can control it manually, but I don't think you want to do this. So it's always good to the number changes automatically following the width of the curtain wall panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new parameter. Let's call it the minimum spacing. Okay, so now go to family types, create a new parameter. We'll call it minimum spacing. Okay, and it will be it can be a type. Okay, so type parameter, that's fine. And so we have this one, and we have the number, where's the number? Oh, currently we not yet. We have the number parameter here, so for this family, but we need to create a new parameter. So let's just call it number as well. So link, and also link to this parameter. So this family, the number here, it will link to the number parameter here. So now we just need to do some formula, add a formula here. So it will change the number of these bricks. This family will change following the width which is this reporting parameter. So the formula will be, I think we need a round up. Okay, so bracket will be a reporting parameter, which is the full width divided by, I think will be the minimum spacing. Okay, space. Is there a space there? And plus the brick length, which is 240 in this. Oh, hang on, 240. Or it should supposed to be 230 because there's no mortar. Okay, that's fine. I'll fix it. Okay, so I'll just type in 230 now, and another bracket, I think, and apply, and okay. It looks like okay. So because the minimum spacing is 0, it's 0. So if I type in 100, let's have a look. Apply, and okay. I want to make sure this is correct, but before that I want to just go back to my brick family. So I'll just edit group and change the brick size. Okay, so it's just go edit extrusion 235 and 230. Okay, so now that it's correct, finish and load into the second family, overwrite, finish, and load into the last one, overwrite. Yep, good. Now I want to just double check the spacing. Okay, so currently it's 143. I'll just manually move this. Okay, so move this reference plane to check and see if it is correct, if the formula is correct. If the formula is correct, the number, so you'll see the minimum it can go will be 100. I'll just zoom in a little bit more, so when I use my keyboard, it will move very small distance. I think it's correct. And then if I move a little bit more, it will go increase, which because the number of the brick are reduced by 1. Okay, so now it looks like the formula is correct. So this one's correct. And now let's go to elevation. So we have one of this. Okay, so we now have one of this. So what I'm going to do is I'll just draw a few more reference plans. And because I know this thickness is 86, so just typing 86. For this one, 86 as well, and this one's 86. So now I'll just array this one. So this one array will go from here to hang on. Maybe let me just do the second one first, and then after that let's do the array after that. Okay, so now I'll just copy one up here. So and for this one, we need to reduce this by the number of this array by 1. And also, we need to move this brick to here. Okay, so which means if I select this one, so the array, this number should be, now this number -1. Right, so we can just create a new. So I'll just call it number 2. Okay, so instance and okay and okay. So this is the formula for this one's very simple, just number -1. But we still need to adjust the width because currently this width equals the reporting parameter, which is this width. But what we need to do is we need to create a new. So this one will be, let's call it maybe RP2 instead. Instance, okay, and okay. So for the RP2, hang on. Yeah, RP2. So what's RP2? So RP2 will be, if I do a screenshot over here, this area, so it will be, if I move to here, So it will be half a brick. So this is half a brick, and this is half spacing. And of course, we still need to add another, so half on the other side, which means the RP2 equals RP minus one of the brick size, so which is 230, and also minus this spacing. Okay, so and then let's just go to family types and then just do it. So RP minus 230, which is the length of the brick, and minus the spacing, so which is hell. So this one will be a little bit tricky because this is the spacing is not this minimum, so it changes. So we need another parameter to calculate the actual spacing instead of this minimum. Okay, so let's just cancel this for now. We need to create a new, create a new parameter. So let's call it actual spacing. So instance, okay, and okay. So now let's have a look. Actual spacing. What is actual spacing? If I do a dimension, so currently it's 166. So actual spacing will be the number of brick. So this in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have this half to this end, so it will be 5. And so the gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be the width divided by the one brick plus this spacing, and then the result we just it will be width divided by the number. Okay, so the number of this array minus 1, because we only, so the number of the array is 6, but for the distance between these width, there should be 5, and then use the result to minus brick width, and then we will get the actual spacing. Okay, so now let's go to family types. So actual spacing equals, so it'll be RP, which is the width, divided by bracket. So it'll be 230 plus not minimum. Oh hell, not this. Divide by the number minus 1. Okay, so it will be number minus 1, and then minus the brick size 230. So if I am correct, this number should be 166. Yes. And okay, so now we have this actual spacing, and then we can get this RP2, which is the width of the second one, so the one on the top, second array. So it will be RP minus 230, which is the brick length, minus the actual spacing. So I'll just type in actual spacing. So it'll be 1. So this number, and if I apply, so this brick should just sit in the middle. Same, this one. Okay, so now we have these two, and then the next step is we just need to create array. So this one will be, so select this one, array AR, and from this one to this reference plane, and this time, use a second. Okay, so to I think it's okay because it's not parametric. The size of the brick, we don't need to align them. It should be all good. Same, this one, array, and that's it. And now we can just create a number parameter. So for this one, so I think let's select this one and create a new number parameter. So I'll call this one number 3. Okay, so instance. Okay, and then we just need to use the height. So same to the width, we need to create a parameter, a reporting parameter. So I'll just call this H reporting. Okay, so H reporting, instance reporting, and then we can go to family types and use that H reporting to get this number 3. So it will be H reporting divided by 2 brick thickness, which is 86 times 2 is 172. So 172. And let's have a look. So if apply, okay, all good. So yeah, I'll just leave it for now. We'll double check later. Okay, so now, so this will be another one. So it can be, let's call it number 4 instance, and okay. So let's go back to family types. Family 4, it'll be, I think it'll be similar to that, but this time HRP minus 86. Okay, so and bracket and divide by 172. So let's try again, apply and okay. So now I just want to double check these because sometimes you need to round up or round down. So I'll just move this up a little bit and see. All good, all good. What I want to see is as soon as this height is larger than 86, I want to see another one. Yep, good. So once again, let's just use a shift keyboard. Yep, all good. So you'll see this is exactly what we are looking for. So I'll just move down. Yep, go up. Cool. So yeah, that's it. And then of course materials. So let's just go edit a group, select this one. So we just need to create a new material so we can control it in the project. Okay, so okay, same, finish, select the second one, edit group, select it, and then link this to this material as well. So now everything's all good. I think that's it. So let's finish this one, and then we can have a test in project. So now let's create new project. Okay, so okay, so go back to this family, load into the project. Okay, so remember this is curtain wall panel, so it's not a normal family you can place straight away. So you need to go create a wall. So I'm going to just place a brick wall, 110 brick wall first, and then go to curtain wall. So I will start from this just glazing. Okay, so it's nothing except just glazing, no mullions. So I'll just duplicate this curtain wall, create a new, I'll call it a brick screen, and okay. So here I'm going to check this one, automatically embed, and also curtain panel. So just need to find, so type F, so you should be able to find this one because we didn't rename the family, so it's always family 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a panel. And also we don't need anything here. We don't need any grid, any mullion, and that's it. So click OK. So now I just want to make it not too high. So make it very short, very low one. So it won't take long for me for my computer to work. And that's it. So, and yeah, of course you will see this a little bit overlapping. I don't think you can, because you can't join curtain. Hell, what am I doing? Join. Can I join the curtain wall? Please remove or add a segment on instead of join or unjoin geometry of the panel. Yeah, I don't think we can join the curtain panel with the wall. But yeah, if I Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's overlapping, so that's fine. So I just want to see if I can join the curtain panel with the wall. I don't think we can. So yeah, that's it. I'll just delete that grid, so it will become one panel. So this is it. And let me just change to shade. So, and also I want to, so you can tab, select this curtain wall panel and change the material. So I'll just change the material to match the brick. So, and BRI, that's it. Okay. So now it's matching the material. This, yeah, of course you will see there's a little, not perfect, but you can make it work. So for example, I'll just align this top of this face to, align the top of the curtain wall. So it's a little bit hard to pick. Yeah, maybe I'll just use this weight, so drag this down to, roughly, you can just make it work, I believe. Maybe you can go to elevation, so maybe it's easier to do it this way. So align, try to see if it was, no, tab, maybe do this, drag this down, try to match the, maybe we do this, dimension. Okay, so this, okay, so 1032, make sure that's no, exactly 1032, and just make the 1032. So it will, will touch that top of that panel. So yeah, that's it. And of course you can change the, so for this one, so you can select this curtain wall panel, and there's a option here. So because we didn't, or we make it type parameter, so it's in edit type. But if you want to use instance parameters, of course you can, and then you can just change this. So for example, I want to have very small opening there, so it's just typing, so for example 50, and then become that, and then maybe a bigger gap. Okay, and of course you change, if you can change the length, no problem. You can change the height, no problem. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.